When you disconnect the top of this garage door remote in order to change a battery, it's important to know that the old battery is removed by pushing it down into the bottom part of the circuit board. You remove it going down, and you put in the new battery from the top into this little or underneath this little metal bracket here. You can tell that's the case because when you zoom in, these two little metal prongs on top of the battery and these little holes have to be on top of the battery, of the CR2032 battery. So you remove the old one coming down like this, and then put in the new one from the top so that these little metal prongs snap into place on the top of the battery. This is important, otherwise you may end up breaking the unit if you put the battery in incorrectly. So I thought this was just a handy tip because I tried to put it in incorrectly before, then I discovered that's how you're supposed to remove the battery and put in a new one. So we're good to go now. Another thing to remember is that when you take the battery out, you'll probably need a needle nose pliers too, because when you push it out just partially, it's very difficult to grab it with your fingers or fingernail and pull it out the rest of the way. So I found that using a needle nose pliers right on the edge of the battery after you partially get it out, you can grab it and then pull it out the rest of the way, and then replace it with a new one coming in from the top and then snapping it into place.